आई थिंक पिज्ज़ा सिर्फ प्रिया ने खाया है सबसे ज़्यादा मूवी में या नहीं खाया, खाने की चाह की थी.
I'm not a pizza person.
You are a pizza girl and you
I do not like pizza at all. But I love Chinese food. So I wish I was Chinese girl.
नहीं ऑडियंस रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है यार, ये इंडस्ट्री रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. बेसिकली क्या होता है कि ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि हर जिसके बहुत सारे फॉलोअर्स हैं वो टैलेंटेड नहीं है. हो सकता है कि वो टैलेंटेड भी हो, लेकिन वो क्या होता है ना कि ये फॉलोअर्स नहीं आते देखने. वरना हर फिल्म जिसमें आपने किसी बहुत बड़े क्या कहते हैं वर्ड क्या होता है, इन्फ्लुएंसर को लिया है, तो वो तो सुपर हिट ही होती ना.
If you are not casting a character or an actor which is perfect for that character, it's just the end product is always going to suffer.
if an influencer is getting a movie, I don't think we are seeing that an influencer is already living the life that everybody would want to live.
Marketing strategy के चक्कर में ना फिल्म बहुत बार डूब जाती है. I feel really badly for Candy because everybody has it out for her.
Yeah.
She's suffering and it's her birthday, okay?
And I feel like she's just constantly running. She's just constantly running and I feel bad, and I think she's one of the most innocent characters.
She is, though.
She's an innocent character. She's not doing drugs. She's just having her candy. One second.
She has money.
One second. She's famous. Can I just say something? Can I just say something? He thinks he is using me. He wants to use me. Okay. He wants to use me, and I am such a innocent and nice person that I even give in and let them like kinda use
What will your
me.
disclaimer be?
I am going to say that fake it till you make it.
Hi, I'm Dara Sandhu.
Hi, I'm Priya Banerjee.
Hi, I'm Shivani Singh.
Hi, I'm Ninad Kamath.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.
आई थिंक पिज्ज़ा सिर्फ प्रिया ने खाया है सबसे ज़्यादा मूवी में या नहीं खाया, खाने की चाह की थी. हमने काफ़ी पिज़्ज़ा खाया था, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. मैंने तो खाया था. आई लव पिज़्ज़ा as much as she loves it in the movie. But oh, you don't love it? I said in the movie. So as much as she loves it in the movie. So I actually did order pizza a few times on our shoots.
Honestly, pizza girl gets the pizza or not is why you need to watch the movie, because you saw the movie.
Yes.
So it's like pizza girl loves pizza. She'll do anything for pizza, but she cannot step out of the house because she has a phobia of leaving the house. So the movie's all about Candy's situation and everything that's happening. Also, if pizza girl actually finally gets her pizza or not, and that's what you need to find out. But in real life, I don't really like pizza.
Oh.
I'm not a pizza person.
You are a pizza girl and you
I do not like pizza at all. But I love Chinese food. So I wish I was Chinese girl. But then I would have definitely gotten some Chinese food. Indo-Chinese. Always Indo-Chinese. Yep.
No, in fact, we didn't have any scenes together. So I didn't get to eat pizza. But I love pizza. I had too many candies. In fact, when the day that I watched the movie with my family, my mom got this whole huge packet of chup chups, candies, for me to eat lollipop. I'm like, Mom, I don't like sweets. So
हाँ मतलब अगर विदाउट सीन पिज्ज़ा खाना है तो हाँ मैंने खाया. थिन क्रस्ट वगैरह अच्छा लगता है मुझे. और बाकी तो एज दे सेड इट्स अबाउट the character not getting to eat pizza is what the film is about, and her desperation for it, and obviously हम सबकी कहानी है. लेकिन तो सेट पे मेरे ख्याल से पिज्ज़ा के अलावा ये कैरेक्टर ने तो बहुत कुछ किया है हाँ पिज्ज़ा के अलावा. लेकिन हाँ सेट पे पिज्ज़ा खाया हमने. थैंक यू. नहीं मेरे ख्याल से सारे कैरेक्टर्स वर्की हैं अपने अपने तरीके से. अपने अपनी जिंदगियां जी रहे हैं और जस्ट मुझे
बॉबी का कैरेक्टर मुझे सबसे ज्यादा
अच्छा ओके. हाँ लेकिन फिर भी बॉबी जैसे कैरेक्टर्स मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सारे हैं. अंकल्स घूम रहे हैं जो अपने आप को तोप समझते हैं और जो नशे वशे करके किंग ऑफ द वर्ल्ड समझते हैं. लेकिन मुझको पर्सनली अगर आप पूछो तो बाकी के कैरेक्टर्स थोड़े क्वर्की लगे, बिकॉज शायद I have not come across such other characters, you know, in my life. तो मुझे ये characters quirky लगे.
I loved mine and Dara's scenes. They were like really funny when I was kidnapped and the way he was behaving. Yeah, like it's known that I was kidnapped, okay?
Now they
So-
will have to watch the movie.
So all my expressions with him, like the whole thing, I found it really funny, and it's like really the whole thing with my eyes, and I'm like all the things he's telling me, I found it really funny. I was actually laughing out loud.
Quirky, I think Ninad's character for sure, Bobby K. I mean, my character is wacky. She's, I believe in astrology. I'll want pizza. I'm crazy. Like, I am a nut job, okay? I don't know how I even exist. I'm scared of stepping outside my own house. So I use everybody to get me pizza, you know, because I have no other option, right? So I feel like mine and Dara's relationship was very normal, like how a normal struggling couple in Bombay are. But I think Ninad's character and Ninad's chemistry with, unfortunately, I didn't get to shoot with Shivani, but with Ninad, I had a fantastic, quirky, a bunch of fantastic, quirky scenes. Like, I think there was a point when we're like, what are we doing even, right? But it just, when we saw it, it just looked organically funny, you know what I'm saying? And thanks to him being such a fantastic actor. And it really didn't feel like acting. It was just, I was having a lot of fun doing those scenes. But I'm sure if I had any scenes with her, I'm pretty sure they would be crazy as well. They would be wild.
Maybe the next movie.
Yeah, maybe season
Candy
2. I
and the
mean,
pizza.
next film,
Maybe
part
we
2.
get together in that.
Yeah, they finally meet.
I think a movie like this gives everyone a lot of space to sort of, you know, discover new things within the script. Like as Shivani was mentioning about when she's in the car and we have certain scenes together. I actually in the beginning did not think I would play them the way I did. But as you are part of the process and you're discovering more things about your character, you suddenly find a whole other way to play it. I won't give away too much. But I played it completely differently from how I even auditioned for it. And I think that worked. It just brought out a new layer to the character. And a script like this gives you that room to be able to experiment as an actor. So I think everyone has that very quirky side, and that's the whole, the web of the film that keeps it together. Like even her looking for a pizza and never getting it is actually an analogy in many things about life and about her relationship. And the director is also, you know, he's very moved by these sort of old Hollywood sort of films and stories, and so he's tried to bring that in a lot with a lot of analogies in our different characters and our different actions that we do. So I think overall it's a quirky film, and it's hard to pick one favorite. Yeah, I think we all had very quirky characters. Yeah.
इतने quirky characters हैं कि हमने कहा कि सिर्फ कैंडी और पिज्जा गर्ल क्यों, हम सबके भी नाम जोड़ दो ना, बॉबी और ये और वो. इतने quirky हैं characters.
Absolutely, many times it's happened. I don't think I should take names, but because it's not also the fault of the person who has more followers, right? But it's just the system abhi is such that rather than looking for the best actor for this particular part, we look at an I don't know, a more overall picture to try and sell a product. It sort of goes into that zone. मेरे साथ तो एक बार ऐसा हुआ था. It was a Hotstar show, which I had read all the books and I had given probably the best audition of my life, and they were like, wow, this is the best audition we've seen. So I was like, ये तो होने वाला है. Eventually the actor who did it, he's a friend of mine, and I asked him and he's like, यार मेरे को तो करना भी नहीं है, जबरदस्ती मेरे को बोल रहे तू ही कर, and I'm telling them मैं तो fit भी नहीं हूँ ये role में. So it happens a lot, especially in current social media sort of trend, and you know, it's become a combination of these things. But I think more and more filmmakers, if they start looking for genuine character actors or genuine actors who are good for this character, which I think used to be there a lot in the 90s and the 80s in our industry. If you see the older films, you had the other characters really making the film. Whether it, you know, pick up any Govinda film, you had so many amazing characters who would make that film. So, and at that time we didn't have these things, right? Ki, who has a bigger social media following or so. So yes, it has diluted the art form a bit, but you kind of have to accept as what it is and try to do your best.
Absolutely, as he said, you know, without taking any names. Yeah, I think people do it from where I see it. I think people बिलीव कि ये सेफ बेट है, किसी के पास 1-2 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स है तो इतने लोग आएंगे देखने. So I feel people will cast maybe 1 or 2 stars and they will have, if it's an ensemble, they'll have couple of people who are like influencers with 15 million followers or 20 million followers. Honestly, it's not about the performance. They want those 20 million people to come and watch their film. It's kind of a marketing strategy, right? So I feel इस marketing strategy के चक्कर में ना film बहुत बार डूब जाती है. Because they are not paying attention to the, it's acting at the end of the day, you know, this is a film, this is not an endorsement or a brand or where you have to go look a certain way, you have to perform and you need to know how to perform.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, as he said, in this world, in this, it's so diluted now with social media and all of that stuff that's going around, you can't change the world, you have to change with the world. You know what I'm trying to say? So now everybody's running after getting followers and becoming famous because that will also give you a film somehow at some point. So I feel the whole, the reason to make a film, the genuinity and the honest motive to make a film like it was 10-15 years ago, that's really not there anymore. It's all a marketing gimmick and game, and unfortunately उसमें से एक दो फिल्म अच्छे निकल आते हैं, हम lucky हो जाते हैं, देख लेते हैं, but most of the time looks like a mass produced bunch of films coming out of production houses. It's like तुम mass अमूल milk बेच रहे हो, वैसे तुम film बेच रहे हो mass में, you know, and that's what it looks like, unfortunately, to me. I don't actually go watch movies. I don't go to the theater because I will look at the reviews, I'll see who are the actors. इसमें अगर मुझे कोई 15 million वाला दिख गया तो मैं नहीं जाऊँगी. It's just who I am, because I'm not going to go watch. I can watch it Netflix. I can Netflix and chill with my husband. Why should I waste so much money and effort to go watch a bunch of people who barely can say a word properly?
Right.
So yeah, it's diluted, it's sad, but change with times, right? So now we're all hopefully make followers and then people will cast us.
नहीं ऑडियंस रिस्पॉन्सिबल नहीं है यार, ये इंडस्ट्री रिस्पॉन्सिबल है.
Yeah, absolutely.
बेसिकली क्या होता है कि ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि हर जिसके बहुत सारे फॉलोअर्स हैं वो टैलेंटेड नहीं है, हो सकता है कि वो टैलेंटेड भी हो, लेकिन वो क्या होता है ना कि ये फॉलोअर्स नहीं आते देखने. वरना हर फिल्म जिसमें आपने किसी बहुत बड़े क्या कहते हैं वर्ड क्या होता है, इन्फ्लुएंसर को लिया है, तो वो तो सुपर हिट ही होती ना. वो मिलियन फॉलोअर्स 10 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स नहीं देखते हैं. उनको वो जो कंटेंट दिख रहा है इंस्टाग्राम पे या किसी भी सोशल मीडिया उस हैंडल पे, उनको वो अच्छा लगता है. हाँ, एक अटैचमेंट होती है, एक प्यार होता है अपने उस बंदे के लिए, पर उसके लिए वो पॉपकॉर्न का खर्चा और टिकट का खर्चा करके थिएटर में नहीं है. और ये इंडस्ट्री समझती है, फिर भी समझना चाहती नहीं है कि हम लोग बिगाड़ रहे हैं इंडस्ट्री को और ख़राब कर रहे हैं. और बहुत सारे एक्टर्स बैठे हैं बेचारे, वो सालों साल थिएटर करके, सालों साल बहुत मेहनत करके, यू नो, लेकिन आपको बॉडी बिल्डिंग वाले ही क्यों दिखते हैं, आपको एब्स वाले ही क्यों दिखते हैं, यू नो, दैट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. सो आई फील बहुत सारा करप्शन है, जिसको थोड़ा सा अगर साफ कर दें तो मेरे ख्याल से हम लोग काफ़ी अच्छे स्टेज पे होंगे इंडस्ट्री वाइज.
So I'm playing an influencer, and मैं जैसे कि ये लोग बोल रहे हैं इन्फ्लुएंसर के बहुत ज़्यादा वाकिफ़ हूँ, क्योंकि I have a lot of friends. I have been on social media for a very long time and I know the scene. And honestly, the way they have shown this girl, I know my influencer friends and all. And they are one of the most smartest, hard-working people I know. And although मेरा character ऐसे दिखाया है कि oh, she's dumb and all, but honestly, I think she is really smart. She knows what she's doing, and she is playing to her strong cards. If she has no support, if she has no background or nothing, she is doing the best she can out of her situation. And same way, even if an influencer is getting a movie, I don't think we are seeing that an influencer is already living the life that everybody would want to live. They are getting to travel, they are working hard, they're doing everything. And yet they are as going and giving auditions जहाँ पे लोगों को नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता. मैंने इतने auditions दिए हैं, मैं इतने सालों से auditions दे रही हूँ, मैं हमेशा shortlisted उसमें, and then you don't get it. It's very heartbreaking, but I am doing it because it's been my passion ever since I was like a kid, and I was like हाँ मुझे ये करना है और मुझे ये करना था, और मुझे बहुत टाइम बाद चांस मिला. एंड उसमें मेरा सोशल मीडिया का कुछ लेना देना नहीं था. Although ironically I am playing a social media person, but I understood what the character wanted and how it is going to be funny. keeping my feelings.
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
literally done a crazy job.
It's my first movie. I honestly felt like I was living a dream, working with all of them. It felt like a dream, and I was not even nervous because they were just so good. They were like very supportive, and I felt I was like really happy. I was really happy to just be on the set. I feel blessed. I am an extremely optimistic person, and I am like, everything is going to be great, everything will happen for me, and all, that kind of a person. And I am still really happy that this is happening, and I'm very optimistic that I will be working a lot, hopefully. And I think that जिसका जो advantage है life में, सबको वो यूज करना चाहिए. अगर किसी के कनेक्शंस है तो यूज करो. अगर बिकॉज दैट इज हाउ यू अचीव योर ड्रीम. व्हाटएवर यू हैव, यूज इट एंड मेक इट वर्क.
She's actually very right because that's the only way. In Bollywood, if you don't use your connections, you're not, again, you can put it in your headline, but there is no other way. You have to use your connections, you have to use your followers. It's not just talent. Unfortunately, this place is not about just talent. And I feel it'll take a long time for Bollywood to reach where Hollywood has reached, because even the stars are auditioned there. Here, even that doesn't happen. So you can never compare. We should never compare Bollywood with Hollywood, because as much as people like to, because social media has made it look like sab same hai, globalization ho raha hai, sab ek dusre ke sath kaam kar rahe hain. But honestly, we have a long way to touch them, right? Even to become that kind of work ethics to bhool hi jao. Different story altogether. But talent, this, that, every little thing, we are way, way, way far behind from there. So it's going to take us a while to get there.
Yes, and I agree with you that it's entirely different, and we're almost even catering to entirely different audiences, right? But at the end of the day, when it's filmmaking, if you are not casting a character or an actor which is perfect for that character, it's just the end product is always going to suffer. You're not going to have, if you've casted it because of a certain media image, or because आपको लगता है कि ये इनको कास्ट करके फिल्म में थोड़े और पैसे बनाएगी, eventually वो translate नहीं होता. Eventually the end product is not that good. So if just the intention and the soul of that filmmaking process is right from the start, that is something I think that today we've lost a lot and we need to improve on.
Influencers, I feel even actors, let's say an actor gives 100 crore, सबको लगेगा भी इसी actor को हर चीज में cast करो. But वो actor हर role में fit नहीं हो सकता just because she or he has been lucky for one film to get 100 crores. You can't plan the same person in every film expecting 100 crores आएंगे. Because same बनाते रहो. So it's an unfortunate situation, and as she said, you have to reach out to people, you have to do your hard work, you have to stand in the line or get your followers. However it is, hook or crook. If you want to make it, you got to give it your all. That's
And
it.
I honestly feel like there are so many stories happening around you that can be done instead of those same things again and again because they think that it works. In fact, like I watch a lot of cinema, and it's like my passion and love watching movies. It can be K-drama, C-drama, it can be Hollywood, Bollywood, anything, everything. There's just so much out there. There's so many stories and everything happening. So this movie is so different, and it's exploring something new. So I think people should give it a watch and enjoy something new.
Oh, very big disclaimer, say no to drugs and don't be Bobby K. Bobby K is one of the worst influences on anyone, and yeah.
I feel really badly for Candy because everybody has it out for her. She's suffering, and it's her birthday, okay? And I feel like she's just constantly running. She's just constantly running, and I feel bad. And I think she's one of the most innocent characters.
She is, though.
She's an innocent character. She's not doing drugs. She's just having her candy. And I feel like she
deserves better.
Yeah, she deserves. I know that she will escape, and she's a survivor. I think Candy's a survivor. I think she's smarter than she looks, and I think she makes things work. One second.
She has money.
One second. She's
Daddy and the
famous.
boyfriend sitting
Can-
there, itni भी innocent.
Can I just say something? Can I just say something? He thinks he is using me. he wants to use me. Okay. He wants to use me, and I am such a innocent and nice person that I even give in and let them like
Think
kind
that
of
they
use
What will
me.
your disclaimer be? कि कैंडी जैसा बनना है नहीं बनना है क्या क्या बताना चाहेंगे आप ऑडियंस को?
I am going to say that fake it till you make it.
Wow. Nice. Disclaimers, say no to pizza. I literally, I mean, I don't want to give spoilers, but you will see what happens to me just because I wanted one slice of pizza. So for me, the disclaimer is say no to pizza. Straight and simple.
I think for my character, after you watch the movie, you'll realize that he's being so many people that he himself maybe doesn't know at sometimes who he is. So be yourself and don't kidnap people.
Be yourself and don't kidnap people.
Oh, it was actually, I went in not knowing anything, not expecting anything, you know, hadn't sort of didn't have the chance to actually work on the scene with her. We went straight to the set and we did it. We both came prepared with the directors, with the director on by ourselves. But it was amazing. She has the flair of, you know, her brother who is a legendary actor. Mr. Vinod Khanna, and so you could see that sort of natural flair in her. You could see that performance ability, and we had a fairly difficult scene, I would say, because it was shot in a very unconventional way. Technically, it was shot in a very unconventional way. It was the first time for me also I was shooting something done like that. But she was superb, yeah, and like you see it in the film. I think she has a very strong, powerful performance within that short period, and it's really. I hope we see her more often on the screen. Hi, I'm Dara Sandhu.
Hi, I'm Priya Banerjee.
Hi, I'm Shivani Singh.
Hi, I'm Ninad Kamath.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.